Okay guys, so we put a new plug in here. Is that normal? Put a new plug in here. Cuba's helping me. Put a new plug. I moved the coil from cylinder 2 to... What cylinder did we put that on for? Huh? What cylinder did we put that on for? The coil?
Can't hear you.
Coil. Is it on 4?
Yeah.
4, 5?
6.
No, 6 is going to be the end.
5.
Okay, because 5 does show like a small miss occasionally. Yeah, 5 just misfired. Hey. Yeah, look. 5 just went down. Oh, it's sitting in there.
Gotcha.
So maybe it's heat, because now it's not under the intake.
Right.
And 5 was the only original coil.
Right. I feel it now. There it goes.
It hasn't shown it though.
I feel it. Touch it. You can see the
Yeah, we can put the other one on, I guess. Because we just made it move. It didn't misfire before.
Yeah.
I want to see what my fuel trims are, see if they're still 15% or whatever it was. Can we hot swap it while it's running?
What?
So can we hot swap it while it's running?
Hot.
Swap. Fuel trim. Short term. It does feel a lot smoother though than it was.
Alright, you put it back into auto.
Here they are. Yeah, fuel trims. Well, they're a little bit better. They're now 10%. It's better. It is what it is. We put a new coil in. Look at our light. Is it surge? It's not surging right now.
No, it's not. It's only 12.7.
So if we increase the voltage.
13. 14. 14.5. Steady, 14.5.
Oh, now it's not doing it. We just had 18 volts on here.
13.6.
What the heck?
13.
It got to be a bad alternator. We hit 18 volts and
13,
everything reset in here.
12.6. And dropping.
Maybe we needed to drop to act up.
It's not charging.
Now it's not charging.
Now it's 13 again. Now it's not charging again.
I wonder if I can shut it off and get it to restart.
13.
I didn't do that.
14.
I didn't even do that. Let's try and...
It's a wiring issue or something.
You can actually watch the light in here, Dan.
13.
Let's see. So it's not going any higher now. We can check the wiring. Yeah, there it goes.
Yeah.
Can you hold that? Will this reach to the window?
Should.
Oops.
Hold on.
I want to see if we can make it say 18 volts and reset the cluster again. See our lights are cycling and our RPM. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, there it went. Everything reset. 18 volts. And our lights got really bright in here. That gotta be a bad alternator because you can't go up that high if you had a bad ground.
Yeah. Regulator or something.
Because that's increasing the entire system voltage. Okay guys, I have the car back together. You can see the light isn't like dimming. It might dim when I put the window on. Very little with the window. So that's awesome. I'm gonna take it for a test drive real quick. But it seems to be running a lot better. Got the headlights on. So we got a new alternator on here. It's a reman alternator. But it seems to be a lot better. Hey guys, this feels great. When I get back, I'm gonna put a scan tool on. We'll check fuel trims. I don't know if they're gonna be better or not. So let me keep driving. I'll head back. Guys, here's our fuel trims. Look at that. 3 to 5%. I'm okay with that. So we have no codes, no misfires. Look at this. Okay, sorry guys, we got rudely interrupted, but we have no codes. So there's no codes. The car's been sitting here running. Let's go back. Let's go back. How it functions. Let's go to power. Oops. Nope, not that. Power bounce. I haven't felt a misfire. Look at that. Perfectly smooth. So I really hope you guys like this. This is a long one and it got crazy. See, lights still good. RPM's like that smooth. Hope you guys like it. See you later.